For the crust, I already pre-sifted 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of butter, 1/8 of lard, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, plus 1/4 cup of cold water. For the first step, I need to add 1 teaspoon of sugar plus 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it first. After that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of butter, 1/8 cup of lard. Then, apply the cut-in method in the first mixture. After applying the cut-in method using 2 knives as a substitute for pastry cutter, since I already formed the mixtures like a cornmeal, I will now add the cold water, 1/8 cold water, little by little, and then press the mixture using a fork. As you can see, it will also form now as if it's already forming. Then add again the remaining cold water. Press the mixture again using a fork. Add again the remaining cold water and press the mixture again with the use of a fork. So as you can see, after adding the cold water, it is now already forming. So what I will do now is to create or form it into one big ball. As you can see, I already have formed it into a big ball, and then I will place it now on a placemat, and then after that I will now flatten it with the use of a rolling pin. Okay, I already flattened the bowl. I will now roll it out on the prepared greased pie plate. So I'm taking now the flatten the dough, and then I'm going to roll it out on the pre-greased pie plate like this. Okay, so this is it. I have already flattened it. It's already flattened well on the pie plate, and then I will create a flute design on the edge part of the pie plate. So after creating a flute design on the edges of the pie plate, you will now prick the bottom part of the crust so that it will not form a balloon effect while baking once it's already pre-baked in the oven. I'm preheating the oven for 10 minutes. After that, I will now place the pricked pie crust, place it in the oven, bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The other ingredients needed for the filling, we need 1 tablespoon of butter, 6 tablespoons of APF, 2 egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon vanilla, plus 1 1/2 cup evaporated milk and 1/4 cup of sugar. I already diluted or dissolved the 1/4 cup of sugar in the 1 1/2 cup evaporated milk. We need to beat the egg yolk. Okay, that's enough. So I'm cooking right now the milk on the double broiler. When it comes a bit thicker, we can already add the APF. When we say scalded milk, it already turns into its proper thickness or required thickness. And then we can add the flour since it's already scalded. I already added the butter. Later, I will remove the mixture on the fire and then add the vanilla and the beaten egg yolks. I am done now with the thickened milk mixture. But this time, we are about to proceed on making a meringue. I have already placed the egg yolk on a separate clean bowl so that I can start doing the meringue. So I am going to mix it using the electric mixer at a low speed at first and then medium speed, then high speed. Once the sugar and the cream of tartar is already mixed. So I'm going to start mixing it with the use of a low speed electric mixer. Until it forms bubbles before I will add the 1/2 teaspoon. Form bubbles. So add the 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar and continuously stir it. Then add again the remaining sugar. The remaining sugar again. The last remaining sugar. Already forming a shape. I'm going to say it is now near to form a cake. Okay? So we will check if it can already form a cake. Okay, so there's already the peak on it. So to check if the meringue that I made is successful, I will turn it over, and then if there is no sort of meringue that fall, meaning to say it is successfully done. Okay, so wala naman. Yan, talaga nakabaliktad. So walang natapon, so meaning to say it is successfully done. This is now the result of the pre-baked pie crust. Then after that, I will put in the filling that was cooked a while ago. I already spread all over the pie crust the filling which I cooked a while ago. And now I will put on the filling the ripe mangoes that I sliced a while ago. Okay, so this is now how I arrange the pre-sliced mangoes on top of the pie crust with filling on it. So on top of the filling are the sliced mangoes. I already put on the over the mangoes the meringue. I surely distribute all the meringue on the entire pie. Okay. Then I will bake it for 10 to 15 minutes until it turns brown. at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Dapat yung setting ng heating coil is what? Under and on top, no? Ng part na oven, so that it will give a browning effect on the part of the top part of the meringue. Okay, so nakikita nyo, as you can see, nagba-brown na siya. Okay, so there are 5 minutes remaining. So medyo pwede ko na rin bawasan yung temperature kasi baka matutuyo. Pero confident naman ako na hindi siya matutuyo kasi medyo mas malayo siya sa top part na coil or heating coil na. Okay, so I'll show you later the finished output. Wow, it's already baked. So the output is very well done. So I need to remove it now in the oven and then let it cool or air cool for a while. Then when it's already cold, I can put it in the refrigerator before it will be sliced. Cream mango pie successfully baked today at almost 7 p.m.